Welcome to the Biomanufacturers Direct YouTube Surface Preparation Learning Series, where today Josh faces off with a typical preparation challenge, and that's how to repair an eroded concrete surface in preparation for total restoration. Surface preparation is never more challenging than working with old and very worn concrete. However, with the right equipment in conjunction with his years of experience, Josh is more than ready to tackle the challenge. For this project, Josh selects the Substrate Technology PrepMaster 2807 due to its reputation for reliability and durability in tenacious and demanding conditions. Its functional and flawless engineered design provides the perfect match for the surface that demands the most from any grinder. When it comes to selecting the right equipment, don't bring a knife to a gunfight. Based on his experience, Josh is confident in the abilities of the industry-leading 2807. But, like tires to a high-performance sports car, the diamonds are equally as important as the grinder. Josh carries an extensive arsenal of STI prep and polished diamonds ready for anything a surface may throw at him. These diamonds are specifically designed for the PrepMaster grinders based on head pressure, RPM, and mechanical motion. After the 2807 has muscled through the most difficult work, Josh turns to the surface cleaning efficiency of the Impacts S210E shot blaster. The blaster removes any residual dust from the surface that could negatively affect the bond between the concrete and the patching compound. The patching material used is a cement and resin-based combination and applied using both a hand trowel and a skimmer. For this project, the application took about 75 minutes. This surface has been eroded by years of daily vehicle traffic entering from a gravel parking lot and staging area. As this video shows, the floor is literally crumbling apart. However, to improve and protect from future erosion, the client has opted to ultimately polish the surface. But first, Josh needed to bring this concrete back to life. Once cured, Josh grinds once more to remove any overfill and provide the surface with one last mechanical leveling. The 2807 knocked down and removed any loose and weak concrete, in addition to flattening the surface to provide not only a more appealing aesthetic appearance, but a functional surface as well. The tandem of the 2807 and S210E provided a clean and uniform surface profile, guaranteeing the adhesion of the patch compound and the perfect segue for the forthcoming polishing steps. This concludes this Biomanufacturers Direct Learning Series segment. To learn more about any of the products or processes used in today's video, please reach out to your Biomanufacturers Direct customer support representative. And as always, if you found today's video informative, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to select that bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.